What is food safety for catering services? Food safety is crucial in catering services as it involves the preparation, handling, and serving of food to a large number of people. Ensuring food safety in catering services is essential to prevent foodborne illnesses and maintain the health and well-being of customers. Here are some key considerations for food safety in catering. Hygiene practices. Catering staff should follow strict hygiene practices, including frequent hand washing, wearing clean uniforms/aprons, and using disposable gloves when necessary. Personal hygiene is crucial to prevent the spread of pathogens. Food storage. Proper storage of ingredients and prepared food is vital. Perishable items should be stored at appropriate temperatures to prevent bacterial growth, and raw and cooked foods should be stored separately to avoid cross-contamination. Food preparation. Safe food preparation practices should be followed, such as using clean cutting boards and utensils, properly washing fruits and vegetables, and cooking foods to the recommended internal temperatures to kill any harmful bacteria. Allergen management. Caterers must be aware of common food allergens and take precautions to prevent cross-contact or contamination. Clearly labeling dishes with potential allergens can help customers make informed choices. Transportation. If catering involves transporting food to an off-site location, proper temperature control is crucial to prevent bacterial growth. Insulated containers, refrigeration, and hot holding equipment should be used as necessary. Staff training. Catering staff should receive proper training on food safety practices, including personal hygiene, food handling techniques, and allergen management. Regular training updates are essential to maintain awareness and compliance. Supplier verification. Caterers should ensure that the ingredients they source from suppliers meet food safety standards. Verifying the reliability and quality of suppliers can help minimize risks. Cleaning and sanitation. Regular cleaning and sanitization of food preparation areas, equipment, utensils, and surfaces are critical to prevent the spread of contaminants. Menu planning. Choosing menu items that can be prepared and served safely within the required time frames is important. Avoiding high-risk foods that are prone to contamination, such as raw or undercooked meats and seafood, can help minimize risks. By implementing and following these food safety practices, catering services can provide safe and enjoyable food experiences for their customers while reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses.